Okay, so basically, I went to Microsoft Excel. I could not. There are limitations to Microsoft Excel on the iPad. It's new, so they keep improving it, and it's an Apple product. So I would imagine that they won't extend every feature to the Apple product, uh, especially right now. So what I've done, since we've saved everything into our Dropbox, I can just go to Dropbox. I have a variety of folders here, and I had to kind of search for this, but I have this particular document here, so we can see that it's the one that was processed online. So I'll just go ahead and open this one. Let me see. I don't think that this one was processed. Nope. And so all I'm doing is hitting the space bar if you're on a Apple computer, but it might work on Macintosh now. So you can see that we can still do some of the same work on our desktop, but this is coming from the iPad, and so it's open. So there, I know that these features exist where I can double click on the actual vertical axis or even the horizontal axis. Right now I want to click on the vertical axis because I don't want the minimum to be a negative 300. I'm going to make it a negative 50. And this might be satisfactory, so we'll go and look. That looks a lot better as far as the tangent function goes. And if I just, let me see, can I do the same thing here? Yep, so I can go from a minimum of 0 to a maximum of 6. So I could easily say, well, I want this to be 1, and I want this to be, let's say I wanted that to be 1.5, and I want this one to be 4.5. So you see, you can manipulate your graphs all kinds of ways, okay? If I wanted to even extend this a little bit more or change it a little bit more, I can always extend these out, but this will be the satisfactory. And then I can just save it, okay? So it should save back to Dropbox. So if I go to Save As, you'll see that it's connected to my Dropbox here still. So I'm on Dropbox, Physics at Night, Vectors, and it's still in here. So just to show you that, I'm going to go back to the iPad, and let's see if we actually can see that. So I'm waiting for it to come up. Give me a few seconds here. All right, here we go. Make that nice and big. So remember that it was the night physics. It was this one at the top that we had graphs on. So it's just downloading it. And if we slide down, we should be able to see the, uh-oh, I don't see the graphs. Maybe that wasn't the one. Oh, there they are. Okay, so let's give it a few moments to bring the graphs in. Okay, this is the one that I'm concerned with, the trigonometric function here. So even though you have some limitations on the iPad or any kind of mobile device, you still have your desktop in which you can extend whatever you need to. Cool. And that's pretty much it.